Have you ever cried yourself to sleep because of something that happened that day? Okay, so basically, is actually question is that ki, have you ever yourself, cried yourself? Like, have you ever cried yourself? I don't really get it. Why they say cried yourself? Like, खुद पे रोना? How do I supposed to uh, cry on yourself? I don't know. Let me translate this thing. Like, I don't know na, the construction of the sentence is bit something really very different than I thought. Okay, it's they are trying to do kind of like a something very, I don't know. Let's just translate this thing. क्या आपने कभी उस दिन हुई किसी घटना के कारण सोते समय खुद को रोया है, यानी खुद को रोया आया है? लाइक उस दिन की याद, लाइक व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली द उस दिन की याद? ओके, उस दिन की याद यानी इट जस्ट लाइक दैट ना कि देयर आर सम सॉर्ट ऑफ डेज यू जस्ट क्राई ड्यूरिंग द स्लीप, एंड नॉट क्राई एक्चुअली इज दैट कि आपको उस दिन जो हुआ उसके बारे में याद करके आपको रोना आ जाता है. सो इज दिस काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ थिंग हैपन? लाइक आर यू एवर क्राई? Well, first of all, is that ki, yeah, I do cry. Yeah, I felt some sort of like a really not good. I really wanted to kind of like a something really that ki, um, yeah, I do cry. Yeah, but it's just like that. Now all those like the emotions are actually elaborate kind of like a things out of from my body is just because of that ki from the career point of perspective or everything. Okay. uh During while I was doing a job, there is a some certain situation that I might feel little bit of like a something really emotion that ki like क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं अपने लाइफ के साथ. Yeah, it's just like I wanted to become something very different, but when I was doing job, it felt something that ki I was kind of like a wasting my money, not yeah wasting my time and money, but as also is this thing ki um I don't know यार, it felt like really off. Like कुछ हुआ था मेरे ऑफिस में जहाँ पे मुझसे शायद एक गलती हो गई थी, एंड या लाइक आई डोंट नो यार हाउ डू आई सपोज टू से या. सो आई डिड क्राई, did not really cry that much. I feel really bad, but it's just like that ना कि मग then I just felt like that कि okay चलो कोई बात नहीं यार, हो गई गलती, that's it, that's fine. Okay, रात गई बात गई. But usually yeah, I felt little bit of emotion inside of me, but I'm not really sure that कि did I cry. No, I haven't really cry. हाँ, मैं एक तरह से काफ़ी इमोशन हो जाता हूँ at some certain time, because of the life choices, because of the all those things, but ना मैंने कभी like I haven't really cried. But let me tell you one thing, this question is not meant for this perspective. Like the question didn't really ask for that. The question is actually ask you a kind of like a thing is that कि आप किसी इंसान को मिस करते हो, ओके, और आप उससे इतना ज़्यादा मिस करते हो आप, एंड देन इफ दैट पर्सन इज नॉट एग्जिस्ट और नॉट अवेलेबल, देन आपको बहुत रोना आ जाता है. सो बेसिकली दिस क्वेश्चन आस्क दिस सिचुएशन, लाइक बेसिकली आप किसी इंसान से प्यार करते हो और वो इंसान अभी है नहीं, तो आप उसे मिस कर रहे हो, तो आपको रोना आ गया, तो हाउ डू यू डील विद दैट सिचुएशन? सो दिस इज क्वेश्चन इज ऑल अबाउट. वेल, probably for me, I haven't really been in that relationship. Okay, तो आई haven't really experienced that. मैंने कभी किसी इंसान को मिस नहीं किया है, तो probably no. Yeah, like not. Yeah. Next question.